Hi friends, welcome to BB Ramana English Grammar. In this video, I would like to share with you the topic across as a preposition and a particle. Right, now let us see where to use across. Across is used for the meaning from one side to other side of a surface or a line. That means when we think an object as a surface or a line, then we make use of across for the meaning from one side to other side of it. In the same way, across is used for the meaning from one corner to the other corner of a surface or a line. Similarly, across is used for the meaning from entry part to end part of a surface or a line. So, across is used when object is considered to be a surface or a line. Look at the example. Here is an object. Here we consider only the surface of the object. So, when there is a movement from one side to other side of the surface, then we make use of across. In the same way, from one side to other side of the surface, if there is a movement, we make use of across. In the same way, when we move from one corner to other corner of a surface, then also we make use of across. Here also there is a movement from one corner to other corner. So here we can make use of across for the surface. Here you can find another kind of surface. Here also the movements from one side to other side or one corner to other corner. If there are movements, for such movements we make use of across. So across is used for the surfaces when we take into account the two dimensions of the object, and across is also used when we consider the object as a line. Look at this. Here the object is line. Here also from one side to other side of the line, when there is a movement, then we make use of across. Here is a movement from one side to other side of the line. Here also we make use of across. Look at this. Here is a movement from one side to other side of the movement on a line. We make use of across. In this way, from one side to other side on a surface or on a line, if we show the movement, then we make use of across. Now let us see some meaning and usage of across in the form of sentences. You know, the basic meaning of across is the movement from one side to other side on a surface or a line. That means when an object is considered to be a surface or a line, and then if there is a movement from one side to other side of it, then we make use of across. Look at the example sentences. Here the words or phrases marked in red ink like road, river, bridge, street, soldiers, river, the board, wall, path, road, blackboard, lion, the valley. Here these phrases or sentences are considered to be surfaces or lines only when we consider the objects as surfaces and lines, then only we make use of across. Now look at the sentences with the pronoun I. I ran across the road. I swam across the river. I drove across the bridge. I walked or came across the street. I spread the towel across his shoulders. I constructed the bridge across the river. I wrote across the board. I pasted the postage across the wall. I put the stones across the path. I got across the road. I wrote across the blackboard. I cut across the line. I looked across the valley. In this way, we can frame the sentences with other pronouns like we, you, they, he, she, it. Here is another meaning of across. Here the meaning is on the other side of a surface or a line. If you stand on one side of a surface or a line and look at the objects which are situated on the other side of a surface or a line, then we make use of across. Look at the picture. A person is standing on one side of the river, maybe a road or a street, and he is looking at the objects which are situated on the other side of the road or river or a street. Now let us look at the sentences. My house is across the road. My house is across the river. My house is across the street. That means my house is on the other side of the road or on the other side of the river or on the other side of the street. In the same way, there is a park across the road, there is a park across the river, there is a park across the street. That means the park is there on the other side of the road or river or the street. Similarly, in the same way, I found the post office across the road. I found the post office across the river. I found the post office across the street. We can write across for the meaning on the other side of a surface or a line like this. Here is one more meaning of across. Across can be used for the meaning to meet by chance or suddenly, to find something by chance or suddenly, or to discover by chance or suddenly. For these meanings, we can make use of across. Look at the sentences. I came across a 500 rupee note in the book while turning the pages. She ran across a gold ring while cleaning the floor. I happened across my elementary school teacher in the market yesterday. I stumbled across a snake in the park yesterday while I was walking. Here, across is used with the verbs came, ran, happened, stumbled for the meaning to meet something or somebody by chance or suddenly. In the same way, for the same meaning, we may also use the phrasal verbs came on, came upon, or happen on, happen upon, or stumble on, stumble upon. These give the meaning to meet by chance or suddenly, or to find by chance or suddenly, or to discover by chance or suddenly. Here is another meaning. For the meaning changing the sides or parties, we make use of across. Look at the example sentences. He came across to our team when the other team expelled him. Here, came across means changing the teams. He left that party and came across to this party. Here came across means changing the party. And across can also be used for the meaning be updated with or be informed about. Look at the sentences. We keep across the information of elections. That means we are updated with the information of elections. That means we are informed about the information of elections. Look at the another meaning for which across is used. When we want to convey or communicate or state or explain clearly, then we make use of across. Look at the example sentences. He can put across the complex concepts of the subjects. That means he can explain the complex concepts of the subject clearly. They get across the difficult problems. That means they explain clearly the difficult problems. He is able to put across her ideas. That means he is able to express her ideas clearly. Here is one more meaning. To give an impression or appearance. Look at the examples. In the dress, you came across as a teacher. That means in the dress, you appear as a teacher. By his talk, he came across as a rich person. That means by his talk, he appeared as a rich person. In this way, across can be used. You can find here one more meaning for which you can make use of across. When we want to express the meaning in every part of a something, in every part of a place, then we can make use of across like this. He spread the information across the college. That means he spread the information in every part of the college. I found the tea shops across the village. That means I found the tea shops in every part of the village. They hit him across his face. That means they hit him in every part of his face. Her songs became popular across the country. That means her songs became popular in every part of the country. In this way, across can be used for different meanings. Friends, let me know one thing. Have you liked the content of this video? If it is so, please subscribe to my channel tapping this subscribe button on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching.